Good afternoon and welcome back. Today I wanted to touch on decision making and why a lot of physicians, ex-physicians, or medical professionals are so good at making spur of the moment decisions. Hospitals run on split-second decisions, whether you're a doctor deciding on treatments in a life or death moment or a nurse prioritizing patient care, there's no time for hesitation. But here's the thing, life and business work the same way. You don't always have all the information. Doctors make critical calls based on experience, instinct, and available data, just like great leaders do in business. I can think of a number of times, specifically in cardiac arrest, where we're looking for and discussing the reversible causes, not knowing exactly why they crashed to begin with. A lot of it ends up being trial and error. Additionally, delaying a decision can be more dangerous than making the wrong one sometimes. In medicine, waiting too long can cost a life. In business, it can cost opportunities, money, and momentum. Using the cardiac arrest example that I used before, if you didn't make split decisions based on their rhythm and then subsequently discuss the reversible causes with the team, then the likelihood of the person surviving and recovering from the cardiac event is very low. A lot of times we throw things at the wall and see what sticks in order to buy us time to effectively care for and address the issues at hand. In that moment, our objective is to bring them back to life so that they have cardiac rhythm and they're spontaneously breathing on their own. Additionally, trust matters. Just as patients trust doctors to lead them to the best outcome, people in business trust leaders who are decisive, confident, and adaptable. You want the people that are most experienced to be on your care team, as they are most likely to have experienced more scenarios that will help them accurately diagnose and treat the underlying problems. With that, it's important to note that the best decision makers aren't always the smartest ones in the room. They're the ones who take action, adjust when needed, and keep moving forward. They're the ones that aren't risk averse and are willing to step outside of their comfort zone to make those decisions in impossible situations. So, what's the next big decision that you've been hesitating about? It's time to step up and make the call.